Example 25. Solve the following surd equations. The solution A. Only one surd, put it on one side. So root 5x plus 1 equals x minus 1. Square both sides of the equation and isolate any remaining surds. We get 5x plus 1 equals x square minus 2x plus 1. Square the equation again to remove any remaining surds. There is no surd. Solve the resulting equation. Form quadratic equation or linear equation. Factorize, and solve. So we have x equals 0 and x equals 7. Check your answer. Substitute into original equation, and then compare left and right side. When x equals 0, from left hand side, root 5 times 0 plus 1, and plus 1. Calculate, we get equals 2. From right hand side, we get equals 0. So left hand side not equal right hand side. So x equals 0 not the answer. When x equals 7, from left hand side, root 5 times 7 plus 1, and plus 1. Calculate, we get equals 7. From right hand side, we get equals 7. So left hand side equal right hand side. So x equals 7 is the answer. Conclusion: after checking, x equals 7 is the only solution. Solution B. Two surds, move one to the other side. So, root x plus 25 equals root x plus 1. Square both sides of the equation and isolate any remaining surds. We get x plus 25 equals x plus 2 root x plus 1. After simplify, just left 12 equals root x. Square the equation again to remove any remaining surds. 12 square equals root x square. Solve the resulting equation. We have x equals 144. Check your answer. Substitute into original equation, and then compare left and right side. When x equals 144, from left hand side, root 144 plus 25 minus root 144. Calculate, we get equals 1. From right hand side already equals 1. We can see the result, left hand side equal right hand side. Conclusion: after checking, x equals 144. Solution C. Three surds, make sure one of them is in one side. Root 2x plus 5 minus root 3 minus 3x equals root 2 minus x. Square both sides of the equation and isolate any remaining surds. Here, we apply, let a equals root 2x plus 5, so, a square equals 2x plus 5, b equals root 3 minus 3x, so, b square equals 3 minus 3x, and c equals root 2 minus x, so, c square equals 2 minus x. Find a times b equals square root negative 6x square minus 9x plus 15. Using a minus b square equals c square, expand, we get a square minus 2ab plus b square equals c square. Substitute all, a square, b square, c square and 2ab, into a square minus 2ab plus b square equals c square. Simplify, we get 3 equals root negative 6x square minus 9x plus 15. Square the equation again to remove any remaining surds. We get 9 equals negative 6x square minus 9x plus 15. Solve the resulting equation. We form quadratic equation, then factorize, and solve for x. X equals half, and x equals negative 2. Check your answer. Substitute into original equation, and then compare left and right side. When x equals half, from left hand side, root 2 times half, plus 5, minus, root 3 minus 3 times half. So equal to 1.224744. From right hand side, equals root 2 minus half. So equals 1.224744. We can see the result, left hand side equal right hand side. When x equals negative 2, from left hand side, root 2 times negative 2, plus 5, minus, root 3 minus 3 times negative 2. So equal negative 2. From right hand side, equals root 2 minus negative 2. So equals 2. We can see the result, left hand side not equal right hand side. Conclusion, after checking, x equals half.